Yo, I got recognized. Shout out to Lee, works in this area. Dashboard Purfleet. Yeah, it always a nice buzz, isn't it, when people recognize you. Anyway, I'm here to take this unit. Well, leaving this unit here. Yeah, leaving this unit and picking the other unit that's been serviced. Right now, 1 second. I got both keys, so I'm going to check out. Yeah, man. So that's who I'm with. Yeah, mate. They're alright. They're alright. Anyway, I'm not here to talk about who I'm with, but they're okay people. Yeah, so it's Scanias, and I know KBC. They're Mercedes. KBC, a Mercedes company. Most of their vehicles are Mercedes. All of them. I haven't seen a, but we're here for calibration. That is the tachograph calibration. So I have both keys. All I need to do is to swap. So you see their Benz, their signature Benz that they use. Yeah. KBC Logistics. They're alright. I've worked with them before. I left, came back. Yeah, okay. Where is the yeah, so I go give them the keys, go into the new one, get out of here. Yep. What of Scanias? Brand new ones. So that I actually used to pass by this for years, but I've never got it. I don't know whether, if you're a one-man company, whether you can really afford to come in here. But sometimes you have to go to the right source. Just put my bag. That's the motor lease, right? Yeah, so got the keys. Time to get into this one. Right. You can see that it's clean. I think they washed them. Boom. You clean them. Wow. Right. Lovely. Yeah. This year has been a lot quieter on this channel. Much apologies. Next coming year, 2026, I'm looking to get back on my weekly vlogs. Yeah, mate. What did I do earlier? I started with container work. Actually, I started with KBC beginning of the year. This company, same like these guys whose vehicles I'm picking. I did it for a while. Then I went to fridges, only which I did for about 6 weeks. Fridge freezers. Remember, I was talking about that. Then I went back to containers, same company, KBC. And then when I changed from KBC, I thought, oh, I'll just go and change. I went for curtain siders. You lot might have seen those clips. The big duff, the blue one, blue curtain sider one. After that, again, I went back to container. It's like a place where I've been going, leaving, coming back, leaving, coming back. I can say that the company that always has work all year round, although lately, around Christmas, I'm now with supermarkets. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up, share this video, comment as well, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, God bless. Peace.